What are you doing today? What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing next week? What kind of food do you want? What kind of meal do you want? What kind of lunch do you want? What kind of dinner do you want? Are you kidding? Are you joking? Are you serious? Are you for real? Are you busy this afternoon? Are you free this afternoon? Are you available this afternoon? Are you doing anything this afternoon? Are you here on vacation? Are you here on holiday? Are you here on business? Are you here on tour? Are you going out today? Are you going out tonight? Are you going out tomorrow? Are you going out later? What are your interests? What are your hobbies? What are your tastes? What are your pursuits? What's wrong with that? What's problem with that? What's the matter with that? What's so bad with that? What can I do for you? How can I help you? What do you need? What do you want?